What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Mimikyu from Pokemon. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page. We're going to tilt the head down towards the right side. So let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw a circle for the left eye. Go all the way around and then back up. Now we move over towards the right side. Step down and draw that same size circle for the right eye. Now I want to fill the inside of the eyes with a swirl. Starting from the very top. And leave some gaps all the way around. And work our way in towards the center. Let's do the same thing on the right. So leaving a little bit of a gap, working our way towards the middle. Let's move towards the outside and draw another set of circles for the cheeks. We're going to start on the left side, all the way around, and then back in. Let's go over towards the right side, do the same thing. Let's add the mouth in between the cheeks. Starting from over on the left, we're going to draw a zigzag. Coming down, go up, add a small point in the center, come down towards the right, and then in toward the cheek. Now I want to add some thickness to the mouth. So I'm just going to trace each of those lines going across from left to right. Now let's fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now with the face complete, let's draw the top half of the head. From the outside left cheek, we're going to step over. Let's curve the head, going up, going across the middle, and then bring that down towards the outside of the right cheek. Now let's bend the jaw coming in towards the chin, starting on the left, coming down and in. Work our way across, around the cheek, and then up. Now I want to place the ears on top of the head. Let's start right in the center of our page. And this up and out. We're going to bend this in, up, and then in toward the tip. Now let's trace these lines. Going to go thicker along the outside. Down, let's go out. Now it's going to bend the outside going out and then down towards the head. Let's flop over the right ear. Stepping over, going up and out with a curve. Bend this out and then down. Now I want to taper this back in and then bend this in towards the side of the head. Let's separate the tip of the ears, starting on the top left, then it's down, up, and then down towards the inside. Let's go to the top of the right ear. It's going to add a wave, coming around towards the bottom. Let's switch to a thick black marker and fill the tips of the ears. Now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw on the body. We'll start over on the left side. We're going to bend this out and then down towards the bottom. Let's go over towards the right side. We're going to add a fold. We're going to go out and then bend that in. Halfway across this fold, bend the body going out and then down towards the same height. Now I want to add those points across the bottom. So on the bottom left, I'm going to step up to create a fold. Then it's out and then up. Then it's down and then in. Now let's do the same thing on the right. We're going to step up. We'll start by bending this out and then down. Bend this in and then up. Let's add a few more points along the bottom. Start back on left and come down. Angle this in. Do the same thing on the right side. And add one more point in the middle. Now in the center of the body, we're going to draw two small ovals. One on the left and then one on the right, and I'll fill those ovals in black. Now over on the right side, we're going to add that tail. Let's start down at the bottom, angle this up, bend this in to create a point, go out, up toward the top. Now I'm going to bend the tail going up and then out towards the end. From the end of the tail, let's draw a long oval coming down towards the bottom, and then bend that back up towards the top. Now I want to taper the tail so it gets nearer as we come back in towards the body, starting from the bottom of the oval. Bend this in, add that point across the bottom, coming down, and then in towards the body. Now along the top, we're going to add 2 curves. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Mimikyu from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed today's lesson, then you're really going to love what's happening inside the Sketch Club on School. And right now you can access all our courses and workshops for free for 7 full days just by visiting. I'll leave the link for you down in the description below, and I look forward to seeing you inside the club.